Okay, today I have a 2018 Dodge Journey. I'm going to show you how to do replace the cabin air filter. Okay, first you're going to check out these two tabs right here. You're going to have to lift them out in order to pull this thing down. So once you do that, you're going to look right here, open this. I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to open this. That's the cabin air right there. Pull it out. Take a look at it. This one's actually been changed, so we're not going to talk to the customer about it. When you put it back in, make sure that the arrows are facing down. Then when you put this back in as well, make sure it snaps into place. And now you're just gonna push it back in, and they're just gonna go back into place. You may want to see if you can push those back in. Shut it up, and you're good to go.